Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have essentials: Node, JS or a modern browser, and your API key. First, create a small file and import fetch or Axios, then define base URL and a helper to attach authorization headers. Once done, build a simple get function that calls an endpoint and parses JSON. Make sure to await the response and handle non-200 status codes. This starts a repeatable pattern you will reuse for post, put, and other calls. Now you implement the core logic. Write an async function to post or put using JSON bodies and proper headers. You want to stringify payloads and check content type. If uploading files, switch to form data. Once the request is sent, inspect status codes and parse JSON, handling errors in a catch block. Also read pagination links or rate limit headers to decide retries. This structured middle step turns raw calls into reliable API interactions. Finish by wrapping your calls with retry logic and centralized error handling so transient failures recover gracefully. You should log minimal request and response details without exposing secrets, and validate tokens before requests to avoid unnecessary retries. Once integrated, run targeted tests for edge cases like empty responses and large payloads. If something breaks, check status codes and headers first. A common fix is correcting content type or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.